Okay, everyone, and welcome to the midweek wrap up for the 9th of March 2022. Again, if you're new to this channel, my name is Michael. I'm a technical analyst and quantitative trader. Midweek, once a week, I go through my thoughts of the market pretty quickly, try to keep it under 5 minutes. At the end of the week, we always have a live stream. So if you're interested in that, sub and hit the bell and all that, you'll be notified when that gets started. So let's get right into it immediately with Bitcoin here. We've retaken this 41,000 level that we've been watching for a long time here on Bitcoin, but it's still putting in this kind of bear flag looking pattern where we've had this big strong push down and then this kind of choppy action for the actual flag. So still watching to see if we break down under that and continue lower. Next, where's my little thing? There we go. Next, on the long side, I'm looking at Solana here. We have this huge zone of support and resistance that's been going on here for a long time, around like 80 to 85. If we can break this downtrend line, that's where I'm interested in getting involved on that one. Same kind of look here with Mana or Decentraland. Nice support zone that it's kind of curling off of now. If we can get over this downtrend line, I'll look for some continuation there. And just for your traditional currency guys, instead of cryptocurrency, yen looks like it may be breaking down, or this USD yen actually breaking out of this inclining kind of triangle here. So I'm looking to see if I can get involved in some of this as well. ARKK, move myself there a bit, but ARK potential double bottom. We need to see a little bit more action to go by before we know for sure, but really strong action today off of that bottom. I would lean against $60 if you're at all interested in ARK. Semiconductors, big zone. I've been pointing out this for a while. Bounced off it a few times now, bounced off it again today. So it might be time to look at your favorite semiconductor stock, see if that's something that's going to bounce from here. The S&P 500, 420 is the number, and it's been the number for this consolidation back here. It was support back here, and it's acting as support here again. So we pushed off that today. If we can stay above 420, I'm interested in this from the long side. If we break under 420, that's when I'm going to have to change my tune on that. So oil, the big topic for today. Was this a blow off top? Well, we won't know, obviously, until some more data comes by. However, it felt like it. If I didn't tell you this was oil and I told you that this was some low float cheap stock that made this insane run and then blew off in a single day, you'd probably be a little bit worried about it. So what I'm going to watch for oil coming forward is if we can come down and hold this level around 65 or so on the United States Oil Fund or USO. That's where I'll be interested in accumulating some if it looks like we're going to take a push off of that. But a long way up, it could just be an overextended pullback. If it just continues through that level without any sort of bounce off it, then there'll be no trade for me. And the next place you'd have to look would be down here. But if it comes all the way down here, then that probably was a blow off top. A couple names that I'm looking at. This SCCO, which is a copper name, putting in this nice bull flag right up here at highs. So if we can break and get above that, I'm interested there. Not Bed Bath, I was going to say Bed Bath & Beyond, but this one's actually Best Buy. Had a nice earnings report where it gapped up and ran, and it's put in this very slow, orderly pullback into this support zone. So if we can get a push off of that support, that's where I'm interested in that. SWHC, same kind of nice, clean-looking bull flag here. Big push up. Earnings was the low, which I love to see. I don't need to know what they report in earnings. I don't study any of that, but a big push off of that right there. So that is everything for today. As always, if you're interested in more of this content, links in the description below. Give a sub or a follow. If you're interested at all in visiting me at my website, it is www.statsedgetrading.com, where you can get way more of this content, and I look forward to seeing you there.